So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install VS Code on Windows 11. So first of all, open any browser on your PC. Now you search for VS Code download. Now click on this first link. Now here, click on this button which says Windows. Now this says unverified download blocked. Click on it. Now click on download unverified file. And now the setup is downloaded. Open it. Now here, select I accept the agreement. Click on next. Click on next again. Click on next. Select next again. Now click on install. And now VS Code is getting installed. Wait until the process is completed. And now the VS Code is installed. Click on finish. And this will launch VS Code automatically. And now you can use it. So this is how you can install VS Code on Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.